Hey, what's going on? Vega here from SerpentX Special Forces, and in this video I want to talk to you about the upcoming hard fork of Ethereum Classic, go over a few things, cover a few topics, and just share some generalized information to help prepare you as well. Now, the official Twitter page posted about this quite a while ago actually, marking July 20th as the proposed date that the hard fork would take place. Usually it happens on some type of block height or some block height in general. I'll have to get that information. But the community has dubbed this particular fork Magneto, which will include 4 Ethereum improvement proposals, first seen in the official Ethereum's, and I say official, I mean main Ethereum's, because that'll start a conversation or a debate there. But on the Ethereum's Berlin's update earlier this year. These proposals are meant to improve the network security while saving on gas costs by storing addresses and keys in one place for users to access with a single transaction. In a quote here, it states, to ensure a successful fork, we ask that ETC consumers to upgrade their node software to a Magneto-compatible version if they have not done so already. If you're not operating a nodes or services, then in short, basically, you just need to confirm that whatever your service is or wallet or otherwise is supporting the fork that's upcoming. To give you a little bit of history here, Ethereum Classic was originally created under rocky circumstances back in 2016. The protocol forked from the Ethereum mainnet due to a $60 million hack of the project known simply as the DAO, an early decentralized autonomous organization. Following the exploit, Ethereum developers decided to roll back the malicious transaction in an attempt to circumvent the hacker and return the stolen funds back to its proper owners. However, some believe that by undoing these transactions, it would override one of the Ethereum's core tenets: code is law. The users felt that it was better to accept the loss and learn from the engineering mistakes that allowed the hacker to siphon the funds. As a result, the Ethereum Classic project forked away from the Ethereum mainnet in an effort to preserve what some felt was the most accurate representation of the project's blockchain. So it kind of goes either way, and sometimes in a matter such as this, on May 21st, some of the Ethereum Classic enthusiasts jokingly referred to the project as the wrong Ethereum, as the price surged in excess of 300%, perhaps due to new crypto traders confusing it for Ethereum, which has happened before. So there's kind of a mixed feeling situation between the two groups. Here, it says that crypto markets have been incredibly volatile this year, and it's always going to be volatile. Digital assets across the board have been on a roller coaster ride in line with the rest of the market. Promising altcoins such as ETC are no different. However, those assets providing some long-term value to investors have been more successful in weathering the storm. ETC offers a cheaper alternative to Ethereum and boasts many of the same features. Hence, with significantly less investment, you could own a much larger position in a similar token, making it highly attractive. So right now, I believe at the current market value, I think it's like $50 or maybe a little bit less than $50 Ethereum Classic, and boasts some of the same features, maybe not all, but some of the same features as Ethereum. As a minor exchange user or just a regular user, what do you need to do? Well, to ensure a successful fork, we have asked the ETC consumers to upgrade their nodes or software to Magneto, to a Magneto-capable version if they have not done so already. If you are not operating nodes or services but use ETC through other services, then check with those particular products, services, wallets, whatever it may be, that they do support the Magneto hard fork. By this time, and by the time you're watching this, the fork is coming the week after I release this video, so your wallets and everything should be supporting the fork, so you shouldn't have to worry about it. So what is Magneto? Ethereum Classic is undergoing a network upgrade, codenamed Magneto, and it's specified in ECIP 1103. Magneto is inclusive of the Ethereum Berlin upgrade, which contains a series of EIP optimizing gas and transactions, which have implied security enhancements important for the network. And security is very important because besides the Genesis situation back in 2016 that kind of separated Ethereum Classic from the main Ethereum, we have also experienced a number of 51% attacks. So security is super important. So in short, if you're utilizing Ethereum Classic or you're running a node, you need to update. If you're not running a node and you're utilizing it through, you know, some type of exchange like Coinbase or something, they'll take care of the upgrade. You don't have to worry about anything. Your funds will still be accessible. For everyone else that, you know, hardware wallet or whatever wallet you're running, you just want to double check. 9 times out of 10, if you Google search your wallet manufacturer, say for example, Ledger Nano or Ledger Magneto support or Ethereum Classic Hardfork, 9 times out of 10 they're going to have the support and they'll be able to keep everything up to date. So there shouldn't be much of anything you need to do on your end. What is the fork in Ethereum Classic? Well, Hardfork is a change to the underlying Ethereum Classic protocol, creating new rules to improve the system. The protocol gives changes are activated at a specific block number. See, that's what I was talking about. I got to find that block number for y'all. All Ethereum Classic clients need to upgrade, otherwise they will be stuck on an incompatible chain following the old rules. If I find the block number, I'll post it up on the screen somewhere. But there's one more thing I want to talk about before I let you go. So Seth McCormack posted something here on Twitter a while ago that I did respond on. It said, should Ethereum Classic change to SHA-3? And you can see that 53.1% said stick with ETC hash, while 46.9% said implement SHA-3. So it's kind of a back and forth. I do need to understand a little bit more before I get too in depth here, but he was explaining and answering questions, doing a really good job actually of answering these questions. And I asked, you know, so implement SHA-3, you know, because SHA-3 is available on NiceHash. Wouldn't we get into one of those problems again where somebody rents all the hash power or a decent portion of the hash power to present or kind of attack the network with a 51% attack? And he does give us a response stating that the reason we got a 51% attack was because we had the same algorithm as Ethereum, which has a lot of hash rate. Ethereum obviously has a lot more hash power, so the hash power can be used to switch to ETC and 51% attack. There's a lot less with SHA-3, but we have to see how things turn out. Now, you can see on Twitter what the community voted like, but what would happen in the future? Is this really something that they're planning on implementing? And if so, what are some of the concerns that you or the community might have if they do so? And I'd like to hear from you down in the comments below. It would be very interesting to hear Bits Be Trippin' Carter's thoughts on this particular transition or change of proof of work algorithm to SHA-3. But either way, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below about the Ethereum fork or Ethereum Classic fork or the SHA-3 proof of work change. It'd be interested to see how the community weighs in. But that's going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do me a favor on the way out. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, as well as check out any links down in the description below that greatly help out the channel. And you guys have yourself a wonderful day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.